Hello, I'm Jeff. I'm a technician here with AllSpa. Today we're going to be talking about what you need to do in the wintertime to get your tub ready for inclement weather. Keeping the spa full all winter is ideal. Keeping your chemicals balanced, checking your spa once a week just to see if there's anything problems. Not necessarily if you're going to use it, just pop the cover and see if there's any indicator lights or anything going on. Because of the high winds that you may run into during the stormy season, you're going to want to make sure that you check and make sure all of your straps on your cover are intact. If for some reason any of them are broken, we do recommend that you do use an auxiliary high wind hold down strap system. That's something you can purchase at any of our showrooms, or there are DIY methods to actually reattach these to your flaps here. And then keeping your cover clear of any leaves, any debris that might be on it. When it does start to snow, don't get into a habit of cleaning off your cover immediately. Wait till the snow stops and then you can just kind of brush it off. Make sure you're using a broom, not a shovel or anything like that, because we do get a lot of damage occurred from shovels. And then the snow that might pile up around your spa, you don't need to worry about clearing that. That actually acts as a really good insulator. So if for some reason you did have a power outage, that's going to help kind of keep the heat. Also, if there is a power outage, because we do get power spikes here in the Northwest, you want to make sure that you are leaving your cover closed. That's going to retain the heat. If we were for some reason to have a power outage for a long period of time, the spa could hold its heat for about 2 weeks. Other than that, if you do have any service and you need us to come out, please give us a call and we'll get a technician dispatched to you as soon as we can. Thank you.